Now then, replacing a tile floor with a vinyl floor. Tile floor, if it's tiled onto wood, you're going to have a lot of problems with the adhesive. Trying to scrape up all the adhesive is going to take you best part of 6 months. Don't bother. It's hard work, very slow, and there's a good chance you'll damage the floor anyway. Best way around is to get off the top surface, get the tiles off. If there's any major lumps, get them off, and then go over it with another sheet of material. If you're going to vinyl, your vinyl's only 3mm. Your tiles have already taken up 10mm, so you can very comfortably put another 6mm down and then your vinyl on top, and still not compromise the height of your kickboards and skirting boards and such like that. So that's the easiest way around. Put a sheet of ply over the top of it all, it will level it back out. If you've got any major dips, then yes, you can have to deal with that, but generally that's the easiest way around it. So first thing to do is you've got to remove everything around the edges, your kickboards, your skirting boards, such things like this. If you want to really get it in, I'm not going to bother with skirting boards, but the kickboards I am. The skirting boards I'll feed it under. But all the kickboards need to come off, because the vinyl needs to go under that, and your tiles will be under that. So start with that. Once the floor is ready, then we can start by putting down a sheet of material. I'm using an 9mm OSB sterling board. The feet on the units, it's always best to lift them up and then where possible remove them, because you want to slide under the feet. I'm going to drop it down there and then slide it in that way, hopefully. So I need to come this way because I want to get under that skirting board there. I need to go under further that way to come back this way. So think ahead everything you're going to do. Like so. It's going under that skirting board. That's what I want. Now put it back under that to that. You waving to your camera?
Yeah. No. No.
Go.
I'm looking at the camera.
Right, now we'll come down the middle of the floor.
Okay.
On that. Moving backwards.
What?
Move backwards. That's it. Good. Good. Oh. Thank you. Moving backwards.
I'm moving backwards.
So we can screw where we're sitting. No, no. Point it to me. That's it. That's it. Point it to me. Thank you. Moving backwards. Thank you. Right, I think we can turn round. And face that way. Now just do here. This bit.
The last one.
No, one more after this. No, jump down. That's it. I know it, we'll do where you are. Just there. Until it's thick board, that will be enough. Right, that's the subfloor done. Now I've left a shadow line there, as you can see it's just enough to take the vinyl, so the vinyl can nicely go under there and give me a nice clean finish line with a bit of silicone. This subfloor has brought it exactly level with the laminate flooring of the other room. So what I'll do, so that the vinyls are level, is I'll lift this and put a piece of vinyl underneath it, which will raise it the thickness of the vinyl. Then when that sits on top, they'll both be perfectly level. Okay, the vinyl. Now this type of job, I like to use this. It's Outro Contract. Outro makes very good vinyl. The contract one is the one used commercially. It's what you'll see in all the big stores, hospitals, all heavy usage places like that is where you will see this stuff. It's quartz impregnated in the vinyl, which gives it that hard wearing. Also it gives it a non-slip and a nice sparkly look to it. It comes with anything up from 10 years on its lifespan. I've had it in back of my vans for 10, 12 years. I've had it in building, it runs in my building for, going on 20 years now. Still looks new. It's good stuff. It doesn't wear out like your normal household vinyl. The only thing is it's very, very hard. So when you first get it, even in warm weather like this, it's got a strong memory. You need to get it unrolled if you can in a warm area and let it relax first. Let it get all nice and warmed up. It'll get rid of all the ripples. Then you can cut it to size and put in. Now when cutting it, you've got to use an hooked back knife blade. An ordinary flat type blade will not do it. The quartz is too hard. Now when you're working with a vinyl like this, because it's so hard, you don't want to bring it into the room and try and cut it in here. You won't fold it and bend it into place like you do a conventional domestic vinyl. So what I like to do is, as best you can, measure it up and cut it before you bring it onto the actual job itself.
1.74. 1.74. Now this edge is not going to show, it's underneath all the cupboards, so it doesn't have to be too perfect.
This is the type of blade you need. You see it's a claw blade. It won't damage your undersurface, it will just cut the vinyl. Which means if you're doing it on top of a carpet or another vinyl floor, it's not going to get damaged. So you don't need to worry too much about that. Okay, that seems alright now. Yeah, okay, down, fine. Right, now I'll go around the edges with some clear silicone, and I can start also putting the skirting boards back on. Okay, and there we have it finished. One nice sparkly kitchen flour. Very easy, very quick. Just keeping to the simple basics of how to lay it, how to prepare it. Okay, right, well, thanks again for watching. If you've got any questions, put it in the bottom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, see you again next time. Bye for now.